So, good day to each and everyone. Our topic for today is about history of life on Earth. So, let's discuss the specific learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to first, identify the dates and sequence of the periods in the geologic time scale. Second, identify the major events in each major period. Third, describe the characteristics of the major groups of organisms present during a time period.
So, for you, what are the age of our Earth? It's 4.5 billion years ago. At its beginning, Earth was unrecognizable. From its modern form at first, it was extremely hot, to the point that the planets likely consisted almost entirely of molten magma. Over the course of a few hundred million years, a planet began to cool and ocean of liquids water forms. So, let's have geological scale.
First, Paleozoic era. It is 544 to 245 million years ago. Paleozoic era, also spelled Paleozoic, major interval of geologic time that began 544 million years ago with the Cambrian explosion, an extraordinary diversification of marine animals, and ended about 245 million years ago with the end Permian extinction, the greatest extinction event in Earth history. The example of Paleozoic era is Cambrian explosion. Is the belief that there was a sudden, apparent explosion of diversity in life forms about 545 million years ago. The explosion created the complexity of multi-celled organisms in a relatively short time frame of 5 to 10 million years. This explosion also created most of the major extant animal groups today. Cambrian period. Probably the best known Cambrian animals were trilobites, a group of armored invertebrates that no longer exist. They were abundant. Third is Mesozoic era. It is 245 to 65 million years ago. Mesozoic era means middle life, and this is the time of the dinosaurs. Mesozoic era, first, Triassic, 245 to 208 million years ago. Second, Jurassic, 208 to 145 million years ago. Third, Cretaceous, 145 to 65 million years ago.
Cenozoic era, 65 million years present. Fourth, Cenozoic era. Cenozoic era is divided into two periods, Tertiary and Quaternary periods. Cenozoic era, Tertiary 65 to 1.8 million years ago. Disaster with the killed nearly all the dinosaurs. Cenozoic era, Quaternary 1.8 million years ago. Present, early people used tools made out of stones and civilization had begun. The animals during this period were mammoth and wolves.